Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Shuta's Universe and welcome back to my fabric paintings playlist. In this video I'm gonna show you a really easy fabric hand painting tutorial which is ideal for a beginner. In this video I'm gonna paint on this pretty royal blue georgette hijab. The first color we are going to be using is this sky blue one. I'm using acrylic paints which is ideal for fabric hand paintings. To prepare these colors you have to use some chemicals with white paste. We use white paste on dark color clothes and also as the white paint. To prepare the color I have used white paste, NK and binder. And also the pigment colors. Ready to use acrylic paints are also available on the market, but it's best when you mix and prepare the colors yourself. To prepare this paint I have used NK binder, white paste and a tinge of blue pigment color. I have started to paint from the middle of this cloth and created these really simple floral patterns. At first with the sky blue ones and then some white ones around them. A sky blue and a white paint looks really good on a darker blue. Till now I've painted these floral patterns on many of my hand painted clothes and everybody loves them. This design is really easy and simple, yet this looks so pretty. You just have to spread this pattern from the center. If you are a complete beginner then you might have a problem with freehand painting. In that case you obviously can make a pencil drawing before you start painting. But once you learn to paint freehand, it's a lot more fun. And it's always a good idea to find pleasure on your work. So I suggest you to practice freehand painting on paper before jumping into fabric paintings. It's best if you can start with some line drawing practices with a pencil. It will make your hands free and give strength to your line works. After you are done practicing your line works, then you can start practicing some tonal values, some sketches with pencil. That will help you to understand the light and shadows. After some sketch studies, you can start practicing with watercolors. It's good to start studying with just black watercolor paints so that you can be better at light and shadows and learn to go from light to dark gradually. Then you should start painting with other colors and learn color values. There are various kinds of fabric paintings. If you are good at transparent watercolor practices, you will be able to use that on light colored clothes and it looks really amazing. On the dark colored clothes, we kind of paint like acrylic paints. It's more opaque kinds, and that's when we use white pastes with all of our colors. If you are serious about learning fabric hand painting and do all of the study works that I have mentioned, then your art on clothes also going to be much better than before. I wish you best of luck about that. We now have a bunch of floral patterns. Now we are going to kind of connect them together with each other with these thin lines. Then this painting is going to look more beautiful. On the lines I'm using white, and in some points I'm using the sky blue color. We are almost done with the video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it, and I hope that this little tutorial and my tips for complete beginners come to use. And if you are thinking about starting fabric painting, then start right away. Thank you very much for watching. Stay connected to Suta's Universe and don't forget to subscribe.